Hi folks, we're here again with the new Chief Steamer 75, and I'm also here with a vacuum hose. Now, I realize the vacuum hose is one of our most popular accessories, and people love to buy it with the steamer of their choice. I want to clear up something here that in the first few days of selling the 75 machine, we have gotten a lot of questions on whether the vacuum hose will work with the new 75 machine. It will not work. For the reasons that we explained in our introductory video, is that we did not put the connector, it's not a detachable hose. So as you can see, our 75, we've snaked the hose directly into the machine, directly to the solenoid valve. So this hose does not detach, so it does not have that connector block. The vacuum hose has the same connector block that a 100 hose or a 125 or a 155 hose would have. So therefore, there's no possible way that the vacuum hose will work with the 75 machine. It will not work. It's impossible, it's never gonna work, we're not gonna make an adapter for it. Now, I never encouraged people to buy the vacuum hose with the previous 75 machine, which we sold a few years ago, that was even bigger than this. I just did not think that that machine, not being continuous refill, it did not have enough power. So the vacuum hose would have worked well on seats. It would not have worked well on carpeting and dirty floor mats. So when I previously sold the old 75 machine, that machine did have a detachable hose and it had the connector block where this would work, but I did not recommend it. So I only start recommending the vacuum hose with the 100 machine and higher. So our current vacuum hose will not work with the brand new 75 machine. I just wanted to clear that up. Now, if that prevents you from buying it, or if you have to step up to the 100 machine to get the vacuum hose, that's up to you. And for home use, if you're going to use this as a residential machine, I don't think you need the 100 machine as residential. I would still recommend the 75 as residential and just forget about the vacuum hose. So the vacuum hose will not work with the new 75 machine.